here is Tune, who's gonna show you the maintenance checklist for machines. Tune, go ahead. What do we do first?
Okay. First, we're gonna check the fluids. We're gonna check the oil first. Make sure you wait 10 minutes for the oil to drain back down into the crankcase before you check the oil. First, wipe down your dipstick, and then you put it back in. Wait a couple seconds. Pull it back out. And as you see, this one is right up to the top in spec.
Okay.
Now we're going to check our antifreeze. It is right up to the top. That one looks good. Now here's our brake fluid. It's very important. Push this button, you can see the level is right there. So that one is good.
Okay.
Now we're going to move on to our air filter. Very important.
Air filter is here. And we should do this about every week, right?
Every week, yep.
Okay.
Oh, we'll pick that up later. You just see if you can see through the filter. If you can see sunlight on the inside, it's still a good filter.
Okay.
If you don't, you need to replace the filter.
Got it.
This one is still good.
Right, any other filters we need to check on this Venieri 1.33B machine?
We should check the fuel filter, especially in the winter.
Okay.
This is your fuel water separator.
Uh-huh.
Make sure that doesn't look waxy, otherwise the engine might gel up and not run efficiently.
Okay.
Also check your hydraulic oil. Also wipe this one down. Just take it back in.
That looks good.
No, I got to check it yet. Same thing as the engine oil. Yep, it's so good.
Okay.
And for your battery, just make sure there's no corrosion on the terminals or cables going to it, and if damaged, replace the battery.
Okay. That will be good. How about the hoses?
For the hoses, you put on leather gloves. I'm going to use this towel for now.
Okay.
Run them along the hoses. If you feel any frays, please get them replaced, otherwise it might cause severe damage.
Uh-huh.
These are all good. For the belts, as you see, there's a belt in here. If you can turn it.
Where's the belt?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
You see it?
Yes.
Make
Right
sure
there.
it is. Turn it around like, I can't see that. Like that. See if there's any fraying or oldness.
If so,
there.
needs to be replaced.
Yep. Make sure all the guards are in place.
Uh-huh.
And
Lastly, probably just check the cover.
yep, check this cover.
Okay.
Make sure it goes on.
Okay. Alright. Good deal.
Lastly, make sure you grease all grease zerks weekly or by your manufacturer's recommended intervals.
That sounds awesome. Alright, Tune. Thank you.
Yep.
This is our Venieri VF 1.33B mini backhoe. Thank you for watching, and we will be back next week.